Ornaments. Today we are going to learn how to make ornaments out of Sculping. Let's get started! Yay! Last year we made ornaments also.
Mine's a penguin.
Mine's a tree.
I made a carrot one, but it can't fell off, so I'm going to put it back.
For this lesson, you're going to need Sculping, which is an oven-baked clay, ornament hooks, sculpting tools, but since we don't have them, we're using stuff we have around the house, paper towels, parchment paper to put on a cookie pan for baking your ornament. And all the supplies that we're using are in the description box below. So the Sculpting comes in packages of little colors. We like to get a package that has a black and a white because we like to make eyes. And we like to make snowmen and other things. The first step is to think about what you want to make. You can make anything you want. Anything.
Oh, what should I make?
This is Create for Kids. You get to be creative.
What should I make?
Do you guys know what you're gonna make?
Probably. I don't know. I'm not really sure yet.
The next step is to warm up your clay. You have to knead it to do that. Kneading it is when you smush it in your hands.
I can't knead mine.
So by kneading it, you kind of just smush and turn it and drop it. Just kidding, don't drop it. I like to drop mine though because I'm clumsy. I am a little clumsy.
I'm a little clumsy.
I need to knead. Okay, I've kneaded it.
Getting it warm helps. It makes it soft. Don't eat it though.
Don't eat it.
So you have to wash their fingers because you don't want the black to get on the white.
Think of the shapes that the object is and then create the shapes. Like what I'm doing, I think. So to make a circle, you grab a little piece and you go like this and then you roll it in the palm of your hand like this, creating a round shape. And you take that and you smush it, and there you got yourself a circle.
I'm going to show you how to make a square. You do the same thing as you do with the circle, but then you go squish the sides. And then voila, you have a little square. Or you could cut the sides like this, and then you make perfect lines for a perfect square. Just don't cut your finger.
Like what kind of did?
You could take your Sculpey and make it flat and roll it out and then get out cookie cutters and cut it like it's a cookie, but not a cookie that you don't eat. That might be easy for little kids. You can also use your knife to cut shapes. That's how I cut this one, is I used a knife to cut it. But first I had to roll it flat. To make it flat, you smush it down with your thumbs or you use a rolling pin.
I must knead.
You don't want to put a smooth surface on a smooth surface because when you cook it and you tap it, it's just going to fall off.
Crisscross on the thing that you're going to want to stick on, and you crisscross it onto the thing that you want to stick it onto. This makes it like a puzzle, so it stays on and doesn't fall off.
This is why you need to make the crisscrosses, because it will just fall off. And this is a very important step, because you don't want your ornament to break. I'm going to show you how to make something really easy, a candy cane. You just grab some red and some white, and you roll it out so it's about like this. I'm going to get my white soft enough, and then I'm going to roll it out till it is long and skinny. There you go. Then you take the corners, smush them together, and twist it. Twist them with each other. Okay, smush it together. Then you can do whatever you want after it. You could keep it like this. I'm gonna twist mine just a little bit more. Just like this. And you can make a curve with it, whatever you want. If you're gonna make a curve with it, you have to cook it curved. You could cook it like this, so it made an S, or a circle, or straight, or a normal candy cane like this. If yours seems a little long, you can cut it. There we go. Perfect size. Then you just take your ornament hook thing and you can hook it right here. This is the best spot to hook it because it's gonna hang really well. It's gonna hang where a candy cane hangs. There we go. And I just put it on here in the curved way.
I'm making my dragon's wings.
I'm making lights on my Christmas tree.
I'm making the dots are going to be on my dragon.
He's always doing what his big brother's doing, but not his big sister.
I always copy Cognac. I love doing that. It's my favorite. You're my best brother. And I want that hat. I'm going to take care of you. For your feet. David, I'm the toothpick.
I don't know if anybody understands what he just said.
What did he say?
He said he's gonna take your hat, right? What did you say again?
I was going to take on his hat and I'm going to put him on the toilet.
Oh no.
I'm poking the hook into my dragon. Let's see. Good, it'll stay.
I'm making a penguin. We're going to have to stop it in there. Like Conrad's. They both have a penguin. Oh no,
Wait.
Ah! When it's cooked, it will stay in. Like Conrad's penguin. I put my penguin right by it. La la! Be careful when it's not cooked. Look at its eyes. It's green eyes. Woo!
I'm putting my creation on the sheet. 'Cause I'm done. What emoji is this?
Okay, now I am putting my hook in. I'm gonna put it at a small spot, but it's at least a spot that can hold it. Because this is going to hang on a Christmas tree. So it needs to be strong. Maybe not right there. It's not strong enough. You have to carefully take it out and seal that hole closed now. A little bit farther down. There we go. See? And then push it through. On the back of your Sculpey box, there will be a temperature and how long to cook it. That's how long you cook yours for. Have an adult or guardian put this in the oven for you. And set your timer. While it cooks, it's time to clean up. To clean up, you can take your Sculpey and grab one color and wrap it in saran wrap. We put the saran wrap around each color so they don't mix. Make sure you keep your instructions and put it in the bag with the set. When it's done cooking, have your parent take it out of the oven. You need to let it cool completely. these are our finished creations.
These are our finished creations. Woo!
As you can see, there is a penguin, a dragon, a candy cane, a dragon, a Christmas tree, a penguin,
A poop emoji.
a poop emoji, and a Christmas tree. We want to see what you created. Go to Instagram and create a post or a story and tag us in it so we can see what you did. Our Instagram is @CreateFulKids. Thanks for creating with us. We hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye! Dun 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 dun. Putting this away. We're putting this away. Do 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 do. We're putting this away. We're putting this away. We're putting this away. This goes in the garbage.
Putting this away. We're putting this away.